room tour. Got a little private one. Attached to the bottom bed.
Bought a riverboat expedition. You go through a really nice scenic stage, they talk to you, and then the next stage, water rafting, like,
Love
you
that.
know, paddle for your life kind of stuff. On TikTok, yeah.
Of course it was.
Stick with the times, mate. Excited. Long wait. We wait for good food, don't we, us?
Hopefully. Really tired this morning, so I've just got myself a monster and a pastry.
They don't have any sauce. Chicken without ketchup, can you? Riverboat cruise. So it's a 2-hour boat tour, and it goes all the way down. It's kind of like whitewater rafting on a wooden boat. Excited. Let's go.
There used to be a great tower alone by the beach.
Oh, danger! Woo! 3, 2, 1.
Hey, hey. Nice.
Some squid on the boat.
Lovely jubbly.
It's just taught me a new thing because last night I've been bitten to blazes by midges. But apparently you do an X, so you get your nail and you push down and then you go the opposite way to create an X. And it relieves the pain temporarily, and it's done a fantastic job.
네, 설명서가 630년이 넘었으니까.
Ooh, that's good.
That's so nice.
That was tasty.
Kyoto station. There we have this, 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 we have this. On our way to Nora. Let's go see the bees.
Oh yeah.
My lunch for today, Cokes.
Cheers, babe.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Just checked out a hostel again. I'm off to Osaka. Got about an hour commute. What's going on here then?
This is my bar, my mini bar. We're all out of juice. We do have a bit of apple juice left. This octopus. Nice. Like a 6 or 7. So what just happened then is?
So it's a bit windy out here. My phone was on my $1,000 bill. I took my phone off and it went swoop, straight in the river.
Nice see it floating down there. This is a pastry with an egg in it. Not that.
You can't go to Mackey's.
Do you actually not want to come here? You're the one who suggested it. 9.
In a really intense game of chess right now.
There's a lot of concentration from
There
your
is.
side. I'm just like,
No, you're not.
there is a bit of concentration.
You're taking like 2 minutes
I lost
to
my
go.
queen and the first move,
Yeah,
pretty much.
silly.
First one I lost, but it's looking good.
Is
Because
it?
I've got you.
No, you haven't.
You take
Little
it
do you
ages.
know.
This
Stay
is
tuned.
fun.
We've got prawn soup. Oh, I'm thinking.
Is it? No.
He's watching me. Just been on this ride. It was absolutely terrifying. I've never been that fast in my life. Myself a peach cocktail, and Will's got a beer. We've just looked at how much it's cost to run this place. The revenue is 360 million, and the costs are 312 million, which is absolutely mind-blowing.
I loved it. Honestly, it felt so fast. I felt very old because I used to go on rides non-stop. I wasn't fazed at all by them, and I still wasn't fazed by this one.
Yeah. You should have seen him, guys.
No, I wasn't. But when it was seen very fast. Right.
Cheesy chips, we've got a southern burger, Will's got some weird custard shake, and I've got a Diet Coke.
So it's the last night in Osaka, Japan. It's a sad one, but we've been drinking, haven't we? Look at you. Yeah, no, we've been having a good time. Been shopping. Some new hockers, because that's Ezzy's subtle way of saying, well, you've eaten too much this holiday. Get yourself some new trainers.
I think the reason you're really slow.
Nah, I'm not that slow.
You are. But it's
probably because I eat so much
The
pad
number
thai.
one thing about running is having good bouncy trainers.
What the doctor ordered for your sore throat, some fireball, get it nice and warmed up for that ice cream. Cheers.
Pad thai.
His prawns are
Martini and tequila somewhere. Next up, we've got some fried chicken. He's obviously ordering another drink because he's an alcoholic.
I'm not.
Next up, we got a ramen.
Oh, it's not them. Both as well. It wasn't even just one. It wasn't even just your pants. It was your top
I
and
know
your
it
pants.
was.
That just goes to show that you must have left it under your pillow or something.
Yeah,
And
anyway.
you're telling Jessica
These
to
have
do
been
that.
delivered to the next hostel for £5. Next.